Got an '09 Tahoe or similar vehicle and you go to fill it up and it's not filling up. I thought there was something in the little tank here while I fill it up. That's not it. That's not it. It's probably, statistically, it's probably the vent solenoid that goes from the carbon filter. So when you put gas in, air needs to come out and it's no longer working. And then it thinks your tank is full and it's not letting gas go in. What a pain. It takes like 30 minutes to fill up your tank. This is a quick how to do and the product or item that you need to fix it. Check it out. So this is the vent valve solenoid, and this is a quick tutorial. Not a lot of tools required. Let me show you how it works, and then you can fill up your car like it's supposed to be filled up. All right, the first thing you do is get under the car. This is back where the fuel filler is right here, and this is probably what most of them look like. They're just attached by zip ties. You cut the zip tie off, and then you follow it. So here's the tube here. It actually connects to this part here, which actually mounts. So this just has a little clip, you just unclip it, slides out, and then this wire right here, you just disconnect it, and then we're gonna follow it all the way around and just connect it to the back of the tank. Pretty simple plug like that, just comes right off, no big deal. If you're wondering, this is here, go around the frame, there's the fuel tank, and then it literally clips right there. You just squeeze it, pops right off. Looks like this. Literally took a couple seconds, no big deal. We're just gonna fish the new one up and around the same spot and clip it in. All right, there is a mount for the old one that's right there. You just take a 13 wrench, unscrew it, use the same bolt to bolt in the next one, goes in the exact same spot, and then the new one comes with this adapter. Adapter here plugs into that, and then that plugs into that right there. And then you take this, all you got to do is just run that under the car and then just zip tie it up near the back of where you put the fuel in. And that's the final install. Just zip it up, zip tie it up there, follow it around. There's where it's connected. Goes all the way back right behind there, and don't need anything except that 13-inch wrench on the top of this. Get that out. This is what that bolt, that's what that extra mount looks like. If you have an '09 Tahoe or similar, there's a link above to Amazon for this item where you can check it out and see if it fits your vehicle. Hope that helps.